Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassandra. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do an easy ombre and go from this to this in a few easy steps. Alright, so we'll start off with what we need. So we have some makeup sponges. I bought these from either Dollarama or Dollar Tree. 2 different colors of nail polishes. I'll be using one from the Ardene brand called Lemonade and the other one from OPI called Edinburgh-er and Tatties. A good top coat. This brand's called Out the Door. I really love it. It's a little bit on the thick side, but it works really well. So since I already have my nails on, all I'll need to do is get a buffer and also my nail polish remover just to clean off the nails. So when putting the nail polish on the sponge, I do attempt to get a thick enough layer just so it is able to absorb a little bit, but not too much that it's a little overbearing. And when you're putting the nail polish on the sponge, make sure you are putting it about 50-50 so when you're putting it down on the nail, it goes on like this. So now here's the fun part. We're going to keep dabbing the nail side to side and up and down so it can give that perfect ombre effect. So I prefer my ombre to be more opaque than transparent, so I am going to come through with another layer, so you're just going to repeat the last step and dab it again. So when the nail is still a little bit damp, we're going to come through with our top coat because this is going to smoothen it out, just like this. So once we're finished up with the top coat, because of the sponge method, it does leave a little bit of a mess. So we're just going to clean it up with the Q-tip. So when you're finished, it'll look something like this. And now we'll simply just repeat the same step for the rest of the nails. So when we're finished, it'll look something like this. And then our final step is to just top it off with our last layer of top coat. I almost forgot. Don't forget your cuticle oil. It makes the nails look so much better in the end. So there we have it, the sponge ombre method. So what did you think? Is it something that you would give a try? Does it seem simple enough? Let me know in the comments below. Bye.